Hi folks, it is time for science. So this is your screencast for Thursday, April 2nd and Friday, April 3rd for physical science. Today you are going to be officially wrapping up the atom unit. How we're going to do that is you're going to submit your atom test review, and you'll also complete isotopes and atomic mass PhET as part of that lab project. So let's take a look at how you should submit your atom test review. To submit your test review, you're going to go into Schoology, go down into our materials for the week, and you should see an assignment that says Atom Test Review. When you go into this assignment, you will have a couple of options in order to submit it. So, you either can download the document, which is included on the Schoology post here, and fill it in from your computer, or you are welcome to have the paper handout that was sent to you in the mail in that big packet, fill that out there, and then turn it in with taking pictures and submitting the pictures, or putting those pictures onto a document and uploading that document. Whatever works best for you. There's a couple different ways. You're technically savvy, so I trust that you'll be able to get to it and figure it out. But if not, please let me know. Ask me some questions during office hours or during class time, and I'm happy to help you navigate that whole process. So, that is your atom test review. The other thing that you should be doing is working on that PhET project. So, we saw the PhET project yesterday. It's in your packet. You're just signing off whenever you complete the PhET, and your parents are signing off whenever you complete that PhET. So, to navigate to that PhET, you can Google PhET Colorado and click on the first link. You're also welcome to just right from the Google page, click on chemistry, and that'll get you there. Once you click on chemistry, remember that the PhETs are organized by alphabetical order, and this one is called the Isotope and Atomic Mass Lab. So you're going to have to scroll down to the I's, and here we see isotopes and atomic mass. This will be a great review of atomic mass and how you calculate it in atoms. So if you want to do this before submitting that test review, you're more than welcome. I just recommend getting it done and getting that signed off sooner rather than later, so you're not putting it off and trying to get all of these done in one day. So, both the atom test review is going to be due at 11:59. Other thing that you should be doing today is make sure that you are answering the attendance question. This should be the last one available to you, and this one is due by 3:59 or 4 p.m. Again, let me know if you have questions. Always available by email, by Google Hangouts, or during class time and office hours. I'm always happy to help. Best of luck and be well. See you next time. Bye.